crossed the border. We're in Maryland. MD. I wonder if bud is legal here, because I'm about to hit up a dispensary. Mind you, I gotta travel for about 2 months with only $2,000. So this trip, I'm gonna have to try to make some money as I go. Maybe I can, like, I don't know. Beep boop. Welcome to Baltimore. We in white America, people. Public parking, huh? Is it free? You think I'm a fucking paper parking? You must be out your goddamn mind. Look at this. Look at this. Alright, episode 2 of RFTL, running from the law. Since I can't post this until later, I'm just gonna make videos for my fellow followers that I sent to. Anyways, we got a little Havana over there. We got a Silverado over here. And we got some boats over there. I just took the keys out. I already made the car a mess because I'm a messy boy. Oh, let's see. Oh, the sun is in. Fuck up. Check this shit out. That Lord, he's like me. About to go sit with him. Hey, buddy, you need a friend? That'd be cool right now. Look, that girl got a fucking son on a leash. Come here, boy. Come here. Nah, that's how they do it in Maryland. Xavier. Xavier. Come here, little bitch. For my first attempt to get some money in Maryland, I just activated DoorDash. So I'm gonna start delivering orders so I can stack up. I'm gonna work till 10 o'clock and get this bread, see if I can make like at least $200 today, you know what I mean? Bling, oh, an order. No, I gotta drive to the hot spots. But yeah, it's day 1 of many. Life on the road, trying to find a better life. Because the other life trying to find me.